In this video, we're going to build a nut splitter. It is pretty simple as you see. By tightening this bolt, it will push the blade and eventually it's going to crack the nut. I'm going to start by drilling an 8mm hole on the big nut. Then I start drilling fast with a 2mm and then with a 5mm bit through the bottom of the M8 bolt. I used a dull bit and sharpened the tip to use it as the blade because it is made of HSS which can cut through steel easily. Then I welded an M8 nut on the hole I drilled over the bigger nut. I splitted a washer in half and welded it to the blade to prevent the blade from rotating with the bolt while it's being tightened, so it will always maintain the right position. There you go guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see my future projects.